In our world, we hear terms like first pass yield, throughput, rework, scrap. Our prospects and customers have really good processes, and they continue to invest time, energy, and money to continually improve these really good processes. But the question is really good, is that good enough? Olympic athletes are widely known as world class, the best of the best. In 2008, Michael Phelps won the 100-meter butterfly in less than 1/100th of a second. We all know who Michael Phelps is, one of the greatest swimmers to ever live. Do we know who he beat? Do we know who finished second? Usain Bolt in the same Olympics won the 100 meters in a world record at 9:69. He beat the number 8 runner by less than half a second. Safe to say that those other 7 contestants are really good. How big is the gap between being just really good and the best? So in your world, who's Michael Phelps? Who's Usain Bolt? What would the impact be if you went from being just really good to the best?